You will listen to two academic talks, one from a business class and one in a marine biology class. After each listening, you will answer the questions. Let's begin. Listen to a talk in a business class. Today, we'll discuss a fundamental concept in marketing, brand loyalty. Essentially, brand loyalty is when consumers consistently choose to purchase a specific brand's products over those of its competitors. This happens not just because of price, but because of a positive association with the brand. Companies build this loyalty through various methods, such as ensuring high product quality, offering excellent customer service, or creating a strong brand identity that customers connect with. A classic example is a customer who always buys the same brand of sports shoes, even when there are cheaper options available. They trust the quality and feel a connection to the brand's image. For businesses, fostering brand loyalty is crucial because it leads to repeat sales and can turn customers into advocates who recommend the brand to others. This is often more cost-effective than constantly trying to attract new customers. Now, let's examine some specific strategies companies use to build this loyalty in the digital age.
Listen to a talk in a marine biology class. So, we've been discussing ocean ecosystems, and now I want to turn to a fascinating phenomenon known as bioluminescence. Simply put, bioluminescence is the production and emission of light by a living organism. It's not uncommon in the deep sea, where sunlight cannot penetrate. Many creatures, from certain species of jellyfish to tiny plankton, possess this ability. They produce light through a chemical reaction within their bodies. But this isn't just for show, it serves critical functions. For some, it's a defense mechanism. A sudden flash of light can startle a predator. For others, it's used to attract prey, almost like a lure in the darkness. Perhaps one of the most well-known examples is the firefly, though it's a terrestrial insect. But in the ocean, the purpose is often survival in an otherwise pitch-black environment. Understanding these adaptations helps us appreciate the complexity of life in the deep sea. Now, let's delve into the specific chemistry behind how this light is actually created.
Great job! Subscribe for weekly English practice.